Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate bill splitting with Venmo and American Express, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have the Venmo app installed on your smartphone. Also, have your American Express card linked to your Venmo account. Open the Venmo app and log in to your account. On the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, locate and tap on Payment Methods. Here, add your American Express card if you have. Once your card is linked, return to the home screen. Next, tap the Pay or Request button at the bottom of the screen. Enter the amount you wish to split with your friend. In the Pay field, enter your friend's username or scan their Venmo code. Then tap Pay to send them the amount directly. To automate bill splitting in the future, tap on Profile at the bottom of the screen. Select Recurring Payments from the options available. Turn on the switch for Recurring Payments. Now, input the amount you want to split and choose how often you want this payment to repeat. You can select options like weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly depending on your needs. Specify the start date for your recurring payments. After entering all the necessary details, tap Save. Now, your bill splitting is set up to automate based on your preferences. Whenever the payment is due, Venmo will automatically process the payment using your American Express card. Make sure to review your transactions regularly to ensure accuracy. That's it. You've successfully automated your bill splitting with Venmo and American Express. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.